we got here? Lake use policy. Fishing parties must sign in and out on forms provided. Interesting. So Nathan and I were back out here. We're gonna try out a new pond we've never been to. We're excited. We hope there's some giants in here, but we gotta sign in, it looks like. So there's a little water plant, a little treatment center here, and then back in this gravel road, there's a huge lake, and we were able to put the bass boat on. So we got the bass boat today. We're gonna go back there, see what lurks in this pond. Looks like there's some grass from Google Maps. So I'm excited to see if we get on some big fish. We're walking up here. It says to sign in. I'm not sure where we sign in at. So we're just gonna knock around and see if, hello. Good, how are you doing? They said we were supposed to sign in?
No, there's no sign-in sheet anymore.
No sign-in sheet?
Yeah.
All right, what can you tell us about the lake?
I haven't been out there fishing, so I don't know.
Yeah?
So.
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Ken.
Ken, I'm Andrew.
Okay. Nathan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
So, are there some good bass in there?
I have no idea. No one ever came in and told me what they caught out of there.
All right, well, we're gonna give it a shot.
They go out there, and that's all we know. That no one tells us they caught anything, or they're...
Do a lot of people fish it?
Yeah, quite a bit.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you.
I'll give you that.
You too. Okay, so there you have it. I guess you don't need to sign in anymore, so we didn't know that. And he said a bunch of people fish this lake. That's exciting. So we're going somewhere public. We're gonna see how to catch these bass, what they're biting on today. I'm gonna show you guys our strategy on figuring them out, what lures to use, and we're just gonna give it a go. So we're gonna get the boat put in, get launched, catch some slaunches. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Not your ideal situation. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that.
Things we do for fishing. Things we do for fishing. You guys need to check out these sunflower seeds. Interstate bait. These are savory garlic. They have a ton of good flavors. We are munching on them right now as we are driving the boat through a mud pit. We're going mudding with the boat, guys. For real.
Seriously.
My tires are caked.
It's gross. Driving on the highway is gonna suck. All the mud's gonna fly up everywhere.
Good thing I got those new fenders put on.
That's true.
Okay, we made it. Oh, mud pit. Gotta undo the boat here. Look at this, guys. We just took the boat through some crazy back road stuff, so I hope it's worth it. Bass boat, we got it so muddy. We're gonna put in here. Tires are just full of mud. All right, this is looking beautiful, guys. This is amazing. So we just got the boat put in. There's a ton of grass, a bunch of deep grass, and it looks like 4 or 5 feet deep, which isn't too common here in Missouri. So I'm gonna start out flipping a Texas rig on the edge of this grass since it's hot, sunny, middle of the day. That's why I'm gonna start. And since the pond's so clear, it's 4 to 5 foot clarity, which is unreal. So I'm gonna flip a green pumpkin crawl on a Texas rig right in and out of this grass. Nathan, what are you gonna start with?
Ned rig.
He's gonna throw a little Ned rig. He's just gonna try to get some bites, and he's gonna throw what, green pumpkin or something?
Green pumpkin orange. I
He's
guess.
throwing green pumpkin orange. All right, so that's what we're starting with, and we're just gonna work our way down the weed line. To our surprise, there's actually another boat out here, and he said it's the best bass lake around, so that gets me excited, but who knows? Who knows what that means? We're gonna find out. We have a lot of good lakes we fish in the area, so I'm not gonna get my hopes up that this one's gonna be fire, but we're definitely excited to try it. So let's see what's in here. Should be good. Here we go. Let's make it happen.
I did not expect to get hit on a frog.
I know. You're really chucking that
Wow.
thing.
I barely even had to try though.
Really? Wow. There's one. Yep. Right next to those weeds. Come out there. Oh man, he's way in those weeds. Oh, get him, Nathan. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he came off.
You just got crushed on the frog. There we go. Not a giant weed bass. Take him. Yep. Little guy. That's a good start.
Dude,
Got a good new crawl. I know, you got crushed on the frog. That was sweet.
He came back for it too. He missed it completely the first time. Like he dinged it. Wow, that was my first like frogfish outside of Mazingo in a very long time.
You got raw with braid though, right?
Yeah, I can use that one.
If they start crushing it.
They just start absolutely annihilating it.
Like that? Nice. Yes, that's a good one. All right, I'm picking my frog rod back up. Oh, Nathan's over here chucking my rod. Nice.
There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that frog bass.
Good one, man.
Oh, barely hooked that.
On the live target. That's my favorite color when the sun's out.
That one?
Yeah, when the sun's out.
Oh,
got me.
There we go.
15 incher.
See ya.
Give me some. It might have gone
Let's go.
16. That was a long one.
It's a long boy.
Just the fact that you already got 2 hits on the frog makes me just want to throw it the rest of the time we're here. There's one. Yep.
That's a good boy.
Yeah, that's a good one. Sitting right on the edge of the weeds there.
Boat flipping him?
Yeah, I'll boat flip him. Yeah, that's a decent fish.
Wow.
Okay. All right, there's a 3. Yep. 3-pounder, guys, on the old craw. So he was right on the edge of the grass. That'll work. That's exciting, man. Okay, we're slowly figuring them out. We've each caught a couple. There he goes. I think I got some in here though. Get him. Yep. Frogfish. Nice, Nathan.
Choked it.
Just a little guy, but we'll take him. Any frogfish is a good fish. Trying to get some water out of here. Thirsty. Good one, man.
God. I don't have much at all.
Oh my gosh. I just lost my other
I got a bandito, bud.
crawl.
You doing trash fishing again? Oh gosh.
I've missed this fish 3 times in a row.
Dude, you suck.
For real. Alright, going back. He's got it again. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna lose my ear.
I've missed this fish 4 times in a row. Look, I have no flappers anymore. No way.
It's on the nose.
No way. Okay. Alright, I got a few more, but they're red flake. Alright. Going back after this fish a 5th time. He's on it. Oh my gosh, I missed him again, Nathan. I've missed this fish 5 different times. I don't get it. I really don't. I'm gonna leave my hook out like that and try to catch him. There's one. Got him, finally. All I had to do was cast at him 6 times. That's it.
6 times the charm, right?
6 times. There we go.
He's like big enough to eat it too.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why he missed it so many times. It's weird. Maybe there's more fish than just him. I'll find out.
Yeah, there is. Oh,
You missed
Oh,
one?
he's
You
gone.
got him? Nice.
first, no, second
That's
cast with
why.
this.
Oh, dude, I got one too. Oh, I missed him. Loading up on him, man. These guys are coming over to check us out.
Yeah, a little bit. You guys?
Yeah, a lot of little ones.
You go around the corner right here.
What?
Go around the corner right here. See that big truck?
Yeah?
There's a beaver hut right there.
Ah,
Worked out a little bit. I've caught 4 or 5 6 pounders out of there.
have you really?
Yeah, I have.
That's awesome. We caught, oh man, I keep getting little bites. We caught 1 3-pounder, but a few small ones, that's been about it.
Yeah, he caught a 4-pounder right over there.
Did you? Nice. It looks like that's the deeper side. There's one. That's what we're catching. A little crawdad, Texas rig. Huh? Yeah, tight lines UV, jig trailer. Just throwing it on a Texas rig. They're crushing it.
Oh, did you see him come out? Oh,
what was it?
Awesome.
Oh, I just had one pick it up. There he is. Oh, man, we both just missed one. How are we missing all these fish?
Oh no, dude.
What a weird day. It's like
I watched him come out, dude, and just freaking missed it.
Wow.
I like popped it over the tree.
Mine's got it again. There he is.
There you go.
Yep. Decent little guy. That's what I'm talking about. Only got one arm again on my jig trailer, but he crushed it. I'll get another one out of there. I got him. Oh, he got off. I know. Excuse me. I've gone through so many plastics today. I'm just putting one on that only has one claw. One claw.
Really, how have they missed it so much?
I don't know.
I don't even know where to cast.
I know. It looks super shallow. Looks super shallow, so I'm just gonna keep going.
Look at that, dude.
Wow.
All the... Whoa!
Good dodge, man. You dodged that thing so well. Oh, wow. No way. Did that fish just really do what I think it did?
You ripped your foot off? Oh no!
Everything's ripping my legs off, man. Everything. How is that possible? That was a little guy though. Guess I just need a different one. We'll downsize a little bit.
Dodge that.
That was sweet. Alright. Changed colors, downsized. Hopefully we'll get some better fish now. Or more hookups at least. Oh my gosh! First cast, baby! Oh, that was a big one. What? I didn't let him take it at all. Just totally ripped it out of his mouth. Man, I'm a rookie. I got so excited. I did not expect that.
That was a big boy.
There he is. Oh yeah. Man, they're feisty. These fish are so feisty. Look at that. He is non-stop shaking. Crazy. Mad bass.
It's like right at the boat.
Mad bass. Yeah, he bit right next to us. That's a good 2 1/4. See ya. All right. Switched it up. A little smaller ribbit frog. Instantly 2 bites. Okay. That might be the ticket right there, Nathan.
That might be the ticket. I might have to buy a couple things.
Buy a couple tickets.
Just say we've never been here before. There.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he freaking missed it, dude.
That was a huge blow up. That was a huge blow up. Really?
How did he miss it though?
I don't know.
Dude, it's the day. Like, there's no way.
They're just
He
being
had
weird
that,
today.
dude. Like,
oh shoot. He came out of the water and still missed it. How?
I'll get it for you.
How?
I don't know. Like that.
You did get him. No way. Nice. Good one, man. That's the one I just missed. Good one.
I can't believe I actually came for it. One corner.
There he is. Yep. smoked it. Smoked it. Hooked him right in the top of the mouth. Reaction strike. Hooks, heck yeah. They got these spring locks on them. So you just put that hook right in the back of the rivet and just skin hook it. Just like that. You get a lot better hookups on these. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got one. Oh, he got off too. What the heck? That one scared me, man.
It was right at the front.
It was right there.
Mine was on there for half a second.
Yeah, I saw that.
What the heck? Oh God.
That was so close to me. Oh, I watched him like come from a distance and eat that. Man, when they want it, they're
They
aggressive.
want it.
These fish are real aggressive. That was so cool. All right. Take him. I literally set the hook and lifted him in the boat. I didn't have to reel in once. That was awesome. All right, super close up and personal blow up. That one. Hey, another beaver dam. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a good one, man. He was just sitting there with it. He wasn't moving. He wasn't running or nothing. It's a good one though.
Wow.
Woo! Yes! There we go. Look at that. Right by this beaver dam, guys. You always want to fish beaver dams. This fish is fat, man. Yeah, that's a stud. All right, see, buddy. Oh, so cool.
So cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I hit the water.
You got him? Nice. As soon as it hit,
Yeah.
came out and smoked it. Good one, man.
Little dude.
Yep. On the chatterbait.
Thought we can catch him anyway today. See ya. Topwater, moving bait,
Flipping.
flipping. The ferret is just barely switching the rod tip on this thing.
Here, you hop on this side of me. And we'll just zoom down the bank and I'll fish. There he is. Rivet. I'll fish the rivet. That's exactly what I was hoping would happen. And we'll just parallel the bank. That's a good way to find fish. Nathan's got one. Yep.
Oh, something's messed up on my reel.
We instantly just started paralleling the bank and look at us go.
I don't know how this fish
You
is
still have
on
him?
here.
Nice.
Dude, my reel just locked down on me. That was so weird. Did you hear it?
Yeah. Weird.
I probably just broke it.
It's a decent one.
That sounds terrible.
Better send that guy in.
Why? Because it's going to take 5 years to get it back.
Got one. Just grab the rivet frog and let's keep fishing. That didn't take you long. You said, oh, okay.
I just feel like retying.
Yeah.
What is it catching?
Oh, I thought you meant right now.
Oh, not now. I don't have the tool. I was just going to take it apart.
There he is. See, I waited on him. Yep. Another one. It's so fun catching them on top water, middle of the day. Dang, the sun's not all the way out. Crushing them. We're just getting done out here for the day. Had a good time, spent about 3 hours here, caught probably 30 bass. Biggest ones, probably right over 3 pounds, pretty good ones. Nathan caught a bunch on, we caught them on chatterbaits, we caught them on Texas rigs, we caught them on topwater, rivet frogs and regular style hollow body frogs. We had a blast figuring out this lake. They were really munching pretty good. They were short striking a bunch there at the beginning and then they started eating better. So had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more and we'll catch you next time on Fishing with Norby.